Fake train, left to right. There should be so many complaints. There probably are so many complaints into the city because I barely sleep. Second I close my window, it's like 4 seconds later it goes off because they have the little trucks down there with the speakers on them. Even if there are complaints and they're posted online, they just change the SEO or make shit up, and there's like events from 1990. So it's still going, but they have it where it's turned down, so it's not going to register well on my phone, even though it's there.